What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. Okay, you guys, I'm here in Dollar Tree, and to everyone that is expecting a new baby in the family, or maybe your friend's having a new baby, you guys, we have some really cute and BPA-free new items that will be really perfect to add to a little gift bag or gift basket. We have pink and blue, BPA-free airplane spoons. These are gonna come in handy. You guys know how kids are and how they don't wanna eat, especially when it comes to baby cereal and things they might be trying for the first time. So I love that you could just fly these in. And then we also have the super cute, yes you guys, these are so cute, the super cute BPA-free mermaid spoons. These are so adorable in my two favorite colors, pink and blue. I really love them. Now, I think these are new as well. These are little multi-purpose latches. I've never seen this configuration before. The piggy is so cute. We also have the little suction-based bottle brushes in pink and blue. Again, love the pink and blue. I think these are brand new this week. The All Clear brand surface cleaning wipes. This is my first time seeing the All Clear brand here. You get 30 in a pack. Let's see if we have anything else new over here. Again, all BPA free, blue and green, pink and purple. We have the Disney Baby, also BPA free. Cute little sets. Sesame Street, so many cute items. And behind me, of course, we have dog treats, dog bowls, more of those all clear wipes. Last time I was here, they had name brand, not just Snossages or Purina, but they had a really expensive brand of treats. I think they were like $7 or $8 a bag. I'm not seeing them anymore, but it's always worth checking out because sometimes you can get some more expensive items here than you would expect. Cat toys, cat treats, little bags of litter, 5-pound bags. And these are still here, the cherry cool mint and bubblegum Mentos car air fresheners. We also have green, pink, and blue rain ponchos. It's pretty hot today, but by the time this video goes up, we're probably going to be having cold weather again. It's like 90 today, or in the upper 80s. I think we're going to have a couple more days like this, and then it's going to be down to the 50s for a couple days, and then back to the 70s. Is your weather kind of crazy too? Citrus lemon, soft touch, fresh and clean. Those are palm olives. Antibacterial. We have the Oxy. And then of course we have Dawn. We have apple. We have classic Dawn. Great for clothing stains. Oh, I want to get some of that. You guys know the one, the Oxygen Orange Dupe. I haven't purchased it in a really long time, but I want to make my own little solution. I feel like all the stores don't have it anymore. You guys know the one I used to buy all the time, where you twist off the cap and it's the powder with the scooper. Oh yay, we have some. It used to be a much bigger container. Even back just 2 years ago, it was much bigger. We have this one for laundry, for carpet cleaning machines. You can add to make your own carpet cleaning mix. Add 1 scoop with this and water. You can add a couple other things if you want to. That's actually what I'm going to use it for because I just bought a carpet cleaner today. So I wanted to come in here and grab some of that. I have a couple rugs and things I'd like to clean. So even though the container is much smaller than it used to be, I'm really glad it's here. Ooh, zero sugar orange in the new bottle. We have Powerades this week. Powerades. We also have the Power Water by Powerade. It's flavored, it's 0 calories. It has electrolytes, it has vitamins. I'm not sure if it has caffeine, but we have berry cherry, tropical mango, and lemon. Some of these do have caffeine. If caffeine is something you want or want to avoid, definitely check the label because a lot of those do have caffeine. Ooh, another 0 sugar, 0 calories. We have grape, we have mixed berry, we have orange. Kind of a nice variety of 0 calorie Powerades this week. We have a whole bunch more over here, and the ones with the white label, I believe, are all 0 sugar. Hi there. How are you? Nice to see you. Yes. Ooh, these are new. The glitter markers by Ink. All the glitter and the ink is down here. Pink and green, orange and purple. Anything else? Blue and green. Those are cute. Oh, I like this brand. It's Crown Jewels. They also have options at Target's dollar spot sometimes. Stay Wild. These are cute, really cute. They also have stickers. These were all out when I came over here. Little notes. And this location has both the flamingo tape dispensers and the unicorns. Wonder Woman journals, LOL Surprise, and Disney Descendants. Well, hey you guys, thank you so much for watching. I am going to be filming a lot more in this location because I'm just finding so many new items. So thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out my Dollar Tree playlist, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.